Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 12 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1, Initial Setup. Open the file, save it as a new version, and ensure your name appears in cell B6. Step 2, Enable Developer tab. If not visible, add the Developer tab via Excel options. Step 3, Format Title. Insert WordArt for Festival Volunteers, apply the correct style, and position it across row 1. Step 4, Remove Title button. Delete the title button in the range H4, H5. Step 5, Record Print Layout Macro. Record a macro to set the worksheet for printing, landscape, fit to one page. Step 6, Assign Print Layout Macro to button. Assign the print_layout macro to a rounded rectangle shape button. Step 7, Create Data Validation. Set up a data validation rule for dates, May 28 to 31, 2021, in the Volunteer Records sheet. Step 8, Fix Macros. Edit the clear_data macro in VBA, then assign it to the Clear Data button. Test it. Step 9, Add Volunteer Macro. Insert a button for the Add_volunteer macro, and test by entering data and verifying it's added to the records. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.